Modimo wa Israel, Modimo wa Israel, Itola ha Yehova, Modimo wa Israel, Modimo wa Israel, Itola ha So one of you requested this song Modimo wa Israel Ebizolaga Jehovah. I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're watching this from TikTok or Facebook, go to my YouTube channel and check for the video to Sansama Vestas Piano Seminar. So I will first break it down in G sharp and go to F sharp and C sharp, right? So yeah, in G sharp it starts right here. Modimo wa Israel, Modimo wa Israel, Bitola ha Jehovah. So yeah, that's the end of our song. All right. So it's like it starts on one second inversion, right? Oh, like second inversion, Modimo wa Israel. Then it goes to first. Modimo wa like yeah. It will depend if you want to take it here or here, but I love it here. All right, like Modimo wa Israel, Modimo wa Israel. All right. Bitola ha Jehovah. All right. So yeah, this is how it goes. Modimo wa Israel. 2 after 1, 2, then it goes to 4, then 5, then it goes to 1, it closes. So yeah, this is how our song goes. It's like first inversion, and then second inversion means to say sorry. First inversion, 2, then 4, then 5, then it closes it. That's how it is, then by 1. 1 is first inversion, 1 is second inversion, right? So yeah, before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. So in F sharp it starts right here. Yeah, this is how it goes. Before any waste of time, let's go to C sharp. So in C sharp it starts right here. watching. This is how our song goes.